open tires. Very important to have a rally body for this class. Okay, at the moment I have MJ's Evo 7, followed by another Evo Y of Jim. Mistake there by MJ. Oh, binanggalong sa. Naulitin is the blue Subaru Impreza. Oh, yung focus na ako eh. Yata na. Aba. Papakihoops. Okay, we have a Mini. First to come on the Lube Tutorialan. I have Jim. I have Emmer and MJ. Grabe sa lower yung kotse ni Emmer ah.
4 minutes left.
4 minutes left agad. Squeezing in now. Second place is either Aguero in his rally special Rossi chassis. Oh, mistake there by another mistake there like what? Now Emmer very close to Tony Allen. Neck to neck. Here comes the triple. Galing. Oops, Marshall, time assist. Time down is 3 and 30. Okay, now Emmer getting the lead from Tony Allen. Pinagbigyan yung torne. Okay, MJ, mistake there by Jim. MJ, now up to third. Oh, masiraan naman si Harvey. What a day for our youngest player, Harvey. He's out of the race again. Ay, talaga yung mekaniko. I think Harvey should change mechanics.
3 minutes left.
Technique na magaling na pitman, palitan na. Pero nakalagay no? Saan? Magaling sa rin? Bakit na magaling na pitman, palitan na?
I think Harvey will look for a better father. Okay, Emmer leading Tony Allen. Oh, mistake your Torne. It comes MJ, trying to touch back. At the blue Prensa. Now, very hard on the speed. MJ season. Look at the moves by MJ. Drifting. The ship lanes. Look at that. Oh, birthday king Tony. Feeling bump by Tony. Tawang the double. Tony made the clean double. But a mistake on the landing. And on 2 minutes and 12. Our Emmer. Wow, closing up front. But, hinihintay pa yung mga kalaban. What can I say? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Rally at its finest.
2 minutes left.
Nako, wala Ano ba ito? The tumbles are happening at the jumps. 2 minutes remaining. Emmer, MJ, and Tony. Tony. Tony and Jim. Oh, hinihintay na naman ni Emmer. Gusto ni Emmer. Takas ang laban. Ayaw ng iwan. Ayun na yung double. Sakto lang. Talaga naman. Emmer still leading MJ. MJ doing his specialty at the side of the double. There goes Jim. Still for this. Time down. 1 minute left by our timekeeper. Emmer at the end of the order. Thank you, class. Be ready for your first hit. Amen. Fighting back is Tony. Trying to force the gap between MJ. Here comes the threaded triple. Mistake there by our Tony. Nakamali ulit. Trying to go back to the right of way in the racetrack. Emmer will get this one. Barring any misfortunes. Time down 25 seconds on the technical sections. I think the track has lots of grip after the slight downpour or drizzle. The track is more of a high fight at the moment. Time down is 9 seconds. Let's see Emmer cruise to this one. Okay, sweet triple, double and a single. Here comes our winner, the silver Focus.
Car 6 is done.
Oh, Emmer got it. You're done. Emmer is done.
Car 2 is done.
And this likewise done.
Car 5 is done.
Attorney, you're done. We're waiting for Jim. The finish is ceremonial last lap before the stadium track takes over for their first hit. Okay, here comes Jim. Fourth place. But not the last.